Hey, good morning, good evening, good night, wherever you are. My name is Ken and welcome to our channel. So we are just Home Appliances. We deal with kitchenware. This is the shop. We have fridge and we sell a lot of items like cookers as well. All types of fridge sizes, big sizes, small sizes, all types of cookers, 3+1. This is 3+1. We have them in stock. We do washing machines as well. We do microwaves, we do air fryers. This is just a quick show of who we are, what we do, so that you can have at least a glimpse of who we are. We do blenders, juicers. We have everything, household, nice electronics. We do cookers, we do TVs. We have everything that you want. So visit us. This is one branch located at Utawala, opposite AP College, AP Training College. It's just opposite AP Training College. I will plug a number on the corner of the screen so that at least if in case you need to pay us a visit, you can call us at any time. So welcome. This is just Home Appliances, but today the video for today is purposed on something else: cookers. So this is an all gas cooker. This is Eurochef all gas. This is Nunix all gas. This is Mika. This is PJS cooker. And yeah, but today's video, I just wanted us to look at this one cooker. This cooker, this is Nunix 60x60. This is Nunix 60x60. It's a new version. The older version was not like this one, so this is why it's having an attention for today's video. And I just want us to go to a point where we go in depth to see why should you even care about this new cooker. It's one of the most affordable cookers we have, which of its size, 60x60. And I want us to look of why do we even have to care. So one of the things that people look for in a cooker is the grill. So you can see this is a relatively strong grill. Yeah, this is not that grill that will disappoint you when you're cooking. So I can highly recommend this one. So this is 3+1. That means it has 3 gas burners. This is 1, 2, 3, and 1 electric hot plate. So that is 3+1. The new version has the electric hot plate situated at this point. The previous version had interchanged these two. So this was there and this was there. So with the feedback of customers, they said they are not comfortable when the hot plate is on the front, because when it's hot, it's quite disturbing maybe maybe you can touch it. And we raised the issue to the company and they changed. So I like the fact that the company takes consideration of our customers' opinion. So I like that about them. So for this one, there is another thing that people look at in a cooker. You see, when you're using gas, the consumption of gas is one of the things that you need to put in consideration. You don't want something that is going to break the bank, so that for you to cook, you don't need a lot of gas. So the previous version was not equipped with a jet valve. So let me show you. You see down there is a valve. There is a valve, you can see it. There is a valve down there. The previous version was hollow. There was no valve. So you can imagine everything that came out from your gas cylinder came out through here without being regulated. But at least this one, the valve is now regulating the gas. So one advantage of having a cooker that has jet valve is that the consumption of gas is way regulated in this type of gases than the previous one. What else do people look at for a cooker? The quality of the knobs. The quality of the knobs of this specific cooker is always on point. It's on point. It's not those cookers that will break knobs maybe with time. No, this one was highly thought in the process of creating it. So I like the fact that they have that. Before I go further, I need to talk about this white thing. So this is the electric ignition. So this is where the spark comes from. So you don't have to use your traditional matchbox to light it all the time. You can plug it to you can plug it on the wall so that now you can use electricity. This is the switch for the ignition. This is an electric this is the oven lamp. It has an oven lamp. So this is the switch for that. This is the mechanical timer for the oven. So when the time is done, it has that ticking voice. This one, you can see the indications on for the knob. The black part shows is this burner. For this burner, this one is for that burner, and this is for this burner, and that one is for the electric hot plate right there. This is to control the temperature. Now, the previous version combined this and this, which was a disastrous way to bake. So they didn't have that in consideration, but after people talked about it, they separated them. So this is the thermostat. You can control temperatures, and this is the selection of the grill you're using at a specific time. What I mean is, this is the oven. On the upper part, there is this. You see this one. This is that's the coil. The coil that's heat the upper part, and there is another coil down here. Down here there is another coil. So sometimes when you're baking, you need maybe the upper part and the lower part to work simultaneously. So the previous version did not have that as an option, but nowadays you can have it right here so that the upper and the lower can work simultaneously. If you just want the lower part, you take it here, the lower part only, and you want it the upper part, this is the selector for those grills. So I like the fact that they took it out, they uncombined it from the previous model. This is a plus for Nunix. Thank you so much, Nunix, for doing that. It comes with a grilling rotisserie grill. This is where you can grill your chicken comfortably. I love the fact that they have that. It's the grilling rotisserie part. This is the grill, and it comes with 4 elevating knobs that you can have on for your cooker, so that you can elevate the height. That's a added advantage as well. Comes with a double glass. This is a double glass. Yes, compact. So its quality is nice one. I can highly recommend. And you know what? For this cooker is just going for 25,000 currently. 25,000, you get yourself this 60 by 60. So this is 60 by 60, 60 dimensions, 60 by 60, and this is its box. So when you buy from us, you get it packed this way. So inside, this is what you get. So if you need cookers, so this was the video dedicated for Nunix 60 by 60. We'll have more for other cookers, but I felt that now that things have changed for this one, we just need to update you on that. So keep us updated. Let me know what you want to know. Let me know your questions. Do you have one? What cooker do you have? Let's talk in the comment section. I I'm Ken, and I will always go to each and every comment, reply. Sometimes I can reply with videos. So let me know what you want to know. Do you want to know the difference between Nunix, maybe, and Mika? Do you want to know the difference between Nunix and BJS Cooker? Let me know. Ask. Let's engage in the comment section below, and I'll be your guy. So until next time, see you. Peace.